teacher. I am going to teach maths for grade 3. Let's see what is our topic. It's grams and kilograms. We use grams and kilograms to weigh objects. We can write kilograms as capital K and simple G. Grams as simple G. We measure large quantities in kilograms. Look at this picture. These objects are in heavy weights. These objects are in heavy weight. So, we can measure these heavy weights in kilograms. We can measure these heavy weights in kilograms. We measure small quantities in grams. Look at this picture. These objects are in light weights. These objects are in light weight. So, we can measure these objects in grams. We can measure these objects in grams. The standard unit of measuring weight is kilograms. Do you know, children, what is the standard unit of measuring weight? It is kilograms. This is a small activity. You can do it with me. Choose the suitable unit. This is a paint brush. It has a light weight. It has a light weight, so you can measure it in grams. This is a lion. It has a heavy weight, so you can measure it in kilograms. This is a paper clip. It has a light weight, so you can measure it in grams. You can try this alone. Let's see how to convert kilograms to grams. 1 kilogram equals to 1000 grams. Therefore, 3 kilograms equal, do you know the answer, children? Let's see how we can do it. 3 multiplied by 1000, it will be 3000 grams. There is a small trick. You can write this number 3 here, and you can take these 3 zeros to here. You can add these 3 zeros to here. It will be 3000 grams. Let's do some exercise. 5 kilograms, 5000 grams. It means you have to multiply 5 by 1000. The answer is 5000 grams. 40 kilograms equal 40,000 grams. 40 you should multiply by 1000, 40,000 grams. 65 kilograms equals 65,000 grams. 65 you have to multiply by 1000. It will be 65,000 grams. Let's see how to convert gram to kilograms. 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. Therefore, 3000 grams equal, do you know the answer? Let's see how we can do it. 3000 gram, you can divide it by 1000. it will be 3 kilograms. It will be 3 kilograms. There is a small trick. You can cut this 0 to this 0 to this 0 to this. Now, can you see this? What is this number? Number 3. Now, you can write this number 3 here. What is the answer? The answer is 3 kilograms. There are some examples. First one, 5000 grams equals to 5 kilograms. That means you have to divide 5000 by 1000. It will be 5 kilograms. Now you can cut these 3 zeros to these 3 zeros. It will be 5 kilograms. Second one, 63,000 grams equals to 63 kilograms. 63,000 divided by 1000. It will be 63 kilograms. Now you can cut these 3 zeros to these 3 zeros. What is the answer? 63 kilograms. Next one, 25,000 grams. It equals to 25 kilograms. 25,000 we can divide by 1000. It will be 25 kilograms. You can cut these 3 zeros to these 3 zeros. The answer is 25 kilograms. I hope you all understood the lesson. Stay home, stay safe. May God bless you.